Now that the wainscot track has been installed, you are ready to install your wainscot panels. The wainscot panels will be identified on your sheet metal trim package list as wainscot sheet metal. Start by determining your screw lines. These will be located at the center of the second girt and the base girt. In our example, the screw lines are located at 3/4 of an inch and 19.5 inches. Before transferring your measurements to your wainscot panels, ensure that the bottom edges are flush. Secure using clamps to ensure no movement during drilling. Please reference our stack drilling video for detailed instructions. Worldwide Steel recommends installing foam closure strips along your base trim, but it is not required and is at the customer's discretion. When you install your inside foam closure strips, make sure it is aligned with your planned panel layout so that the high rib of the foam strip nests inside the high rib of your panel. In our example, we did not install foam closure strips at the base before installing our wainscot panels. Place your first wainscot panel along your sidewall, starting at the corner of the building. The panel will rest just above the base trim, leaving a 1/8 inch gap. Secure the bottom corner of your wainscot panel to the base girt using the self-drilling screws specified on your truss hardware list. Ensure your panel is level before securing with additional screws. Once your wainscot panel is secure, continue along the length of your sidewall, lapping the panels as you go. Once you get to the end of your wall, you may need to cut your final wainscot panel so that it ends flush with the corner. Measure the distance, cut your panel to length, and install. Your wainscot panel installation is now complete. You may proceed with your wainscot trim installation covered in the next video. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.